Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account verified, 2FA enabled, and funding in place. Next, open TradeStorm and pick a workspace. Choose chart layouts and default timeframe so you don't waste time later. Once done, connect your bank or crypto wallet and set deposit limits for risk control. Make sure to enable notifications and save a default template. These steps establish a repeatable environment, so you can move straight into analyzing opportunities without interrupting setup and begin executing trades immediately. You now scan markets using TradeStorm's filters. Set volume, volatility, and percent change thresholds to surface candidates quickly. Then, for each candidate, configure orders, choose limit or market, and place stop loss and take profit levels based on ATR or recent structure. Once orders are staged, backtest your strategy with at least 50 historical trades. Adjust parameters and measure win rate, drawdown, and edge. Make sure to record settings as a saved strategy. That way you can deploy automatically or refine iteratively. You finish by monitoring fills and execution performance. Watch for partial fills, slippage percentage, and latency. If positions need management, scale out in chunks, move stops to break-even, and lock profits with trailing orders. Once done, reconcile trade logs and export performance reports for review. If things go wrong, first reconnect the API, confirm margin and leverage, and refresh the data feed. These fixes solve most execution issues quickly. Make sure to pause new entries until stability is restored, then resume with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.